Hi, we're at school. And now we're at Spirit Halloween.
Yeah.
That's you. This one.
Okay, how many are you getting, girl?
Wait,
This one's the best.
Wait, I gotta try them out because there are two different kinds. This one's captain hat. Those ones are deluxe captain hats. Yeah, it's so cute.
This one's the best.
Okay.
Wig.
Hi.
Should I be a sexy pope?
Yeah, you look amazing.
R.I.P. XXX Tentacion. I love this. What if I knock this over?
No.
Just shut up. Oh.
That's cute.
Okay, you can stop.
Most expensive, right?
It's huge. We're a Salvation Army.
Yeah.
No, so.
There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer. Give me a man after midnight. Won't somebody help me?
It's only 99 cents.
I'm considering.
Chase the shadows away. Give me a man after midnight. Take me through the darkness to the break.
We got McDonald's. Let's do a hot. You look fine. Oh, they gave us. Oh my God, they split it for us already. We were gonna share a 20 piece, but they just gave us 2 10s.
Probably because she saw it was the two of us.
Probably. Oh, I think we forgot the ketchup, but we do have an abundance of sweet and sour.
Whatever, he was hot, so it's fine.
Yeah. This is the sweet and sour. Which fries do I like this.
Oh my god, this song is a serve.
You also got red?
This is Family Force 5, a Christian band, actually.
Oh, these are well done today. Focus.
Focus. Break a kneecap. We're in the parking lot of Staples right now, by the way.
Yeah.
Well, and a lot of other things.
Delicious. TJ Maxx.
Petco.
Petco. Party City.
Michael's. Ocean State Job Lot.
Five Below.
Dress Barn.
Weight Watchers.
Lumber Liquidators. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah. Not on video.
We look good though.
Maybe so.
Yeah.
See, look at that squeeze.
Oh, and for my drink, I forgot. For my drink, I got McDonald's Sprite. I need to get like prettier nails, so like ASMR videos are like nicer.
Yeah. I ordered a lemonade, but they were out, so. Guess we're just going dry mouth tonight. Gross.
Ew.
I have water.
Why would you say that?
Also.
Oh my god.
What?
Kim Petras. Anime is Mormon. Was that a good song?
Yeah. I have conjoined twins. they were like that, and now they're like that.
Oh my god, the 13 Reasons Why soundtrack.
That show was so bad.
The show was my favorite show, other than Glee.
Wait. I forgot.
And I had a yogurt parfait.
You good? Oh my god.
I'm okay. Oh my god.
What just happened?
Anyways. You're one obese pig.
Stop! Wow, that was fun.
Yes.
We're at Market Basket. Final stop before my house.
Super fun, forgetting all about you.
Hi everyone. So,
We're at my
we're
house.
doing homework right now, and
Doing homework.
I'm doing good work.
We're back at school.
Hi, ladies.
We're back at school.
And rest in peace, Beyonce.
We almost got killed. Just kidding. We just got like
We
catcalled for a long time.
We got catcalled, and it was really uncomfortable because we couldn't tell if they were talking to us.
Yeah.
But
then-
there was
but
no
then
one
he
else
started-
here.
Then he was like. Then he started singing "Beautiful Girls all over the world."
It was flattering, but
It was flattering, but like
men are scary.
not really, because he was like he kept yelling like, "Mind if I join you, lady?"
Yeah. And then I was scared
I was scared.
because we thought it was a student from our school.
And then we were just kind of like, okay, we're just gonna like chill out at these swings before we have to actually go to the thing at our school.
And then
And then this random group of like,
they were probably like college kids.
yeah, they looked like college aged.
Like just like don't you have, like what are you doing
There
tonight?
was like 5 of them just like packed into this car,
Yeah.
and one of them stood up and was just like, "Hey, ladies."
He was like, it was scary.
I don't even know what he said. Like,
Men are trash.
besides like,
I
saying-
literally couldn't tell if he was talking to us, so I just sat there in silence. I was like,
me too. Like, I would no, because
I don't want to assume anything.
No, because I noticed he was like saying like, "Mind if I join you?" And I was like, "Okay, is he on his phone?" So then I like glanced over and he wasn't on his phone. Like he was staring right at me.
I was like,
I was just like
avoiding eye contact.
And then I just was like, "Time to remain silent."
Dude, men are scary.
They are.
Like one
And
time.
it's not like I don't think he meant any harm, because he was just like.
No, I mean.
But he just like
no,
came
I think.
up and was like, "Hey,
No,
mind if I join you? Join us doing what? We're gonna sit
Swinging.
on these swings for like 5 minutes."
No, and like, it wasn't. I feel like he was joking, but it was also scary.
Yeah, I
'Cause
feel like it was really funny for them. And
You never
but
can
it was
tell.
scary.
Yeah, exactly. And like,
When they first pulled into the parking lot, I forget what they were saying. They were like, "I want to eat your cabbage."
what?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what they were yelling when they like came in.
Please come over. I'm kidding.
And I'm like, I don't. Girl, what's my cabbage?
Who calls like a cabbage?
I know, right?
That's new.
That is new to me. If your looks like a cabbage, get out of here.
Come over right now.
What?
Oh my god. Scary
There's
because,
just people-
oh my god, they're coming back. I swear to god. Are you sure?
Oh God, should we leave?
Should we leave?
Oh my God, I'm actually scared.
Oh my god. Caitlin, what do we
Let's
do?
leave. Let's leave.
Should we go into
Let's
the
leave.
woods?
No, let's go into my car and lock it.
Wait, they're gonna kill us if we do that. They're literally gonna kill us.
I'm scared. But I'm really scared.
Wait, is that them? I don't think that's them.
I don't think that's them. But
Who
just
is
be
it?
safe. Let's just go to school. Let's be.
Who is that?
I don't know.
I don't think that's them.
Oh, thank God.
I'm not homeless.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my story.
That's it.
It was
We're
scary.
safe now. I'm locking the
We're
doors.
okay, or yes.
Okay. Let's go to a safe building. Bye.
Bye. We forgot to film an outro. We filmed this like a week ago.
Yeah, no, we've been
so-
editing for like 4 hours now. So,
We need to think of what's
Bye.
a good outro. Wait, what's a good outro thing like?
leave a comment down below what our outro should be.
Yeah, sis, we're over.
Yes.
Yeah.